Here's something truly powerful, something that can change everything for you in just 1 hour. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't some vague idea or wishful thinking. This is a proven technique straight from Neville Goddard, and if you follow exactly what I'm about to share, you'll experience a shift so profound that you'll wonder why you ever doubted yourself. Imagine in just 60 minutes from now, the reality you desire beginning to unfold before your eyes. That new job, that relationship, that financial breakthrough, it's already yours, and I'm going to show you exactly how to claim it. First, let me tell you a secret that most people get completely wrong about manifestation. The harder you try, the further away it gets. Why? Because trying implies lack. The moment you desire something desperately, you are affirming that you don't have it. And what does the law of assumption say? That whatever you assume to be true must reflect in your reality. So here's what we're going to do instead. We're going to assume it's already done. No waiting, no hoping, just a shift in awareness that places you inside your desire right now. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath. Now, I want you to think about what you truly want. Be specific. Feel it. Imagine yourself already living in that reality. If it's money, don't think about getting money. See yourself spending it effortlessly. If it's love, don't think about finding the right person. Imagine already being with them, holding their hand, feeling their presence. Whatever it is, step into the version of you who already has it. And here's the key, don't just visualize, feel it. Feel the excitement, the gratitude, the relief of already having what you want. Now, here's where the real magic happens. For the next hour, I want you to completely let go. No checking, no doubting, no wondering when it's coming. Just be the person who already has it. This is the part where most people fail because they can't stop looking for signs. But here's something shocking. When you look for signs, you are affirming that it's not here yet. And guess what? That's exactly what your reality reflects. But if you assume it's already done, the universe has no choice but to catch up. Neville always said, assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled and remain faithful to it. This isn't about wishing or hoping, it's about knowing. And here's where it gets even better. The moment you truly step into this assumption, something incredible starts happening. Reality bends, opportunities show up out of nowhere, people act differently, things shift in ways you never expected. And all because you stopped trying and started being. Here's a bonus tip for you, and this will supercharge your results. After you've assumed your desire is fulfilled, forget about it. Yes, you heard me, forget about it. Go do something else, distract yourself, have fun. This tells your subconscious that it's already handled, and that's when it manifests fast. Some of the biggest miracles happen when you least expect them, because in that moment, you're no longer resisting, you're allowing. Now, if you're ready to experience this for yourself, take the next hour and do exactly what I shared. And when it works, because it will, come back and comment below. Share your success because your story will inspire others. And if you want even more powerful techniques like this, make sure to subscribe because I have so much more to share with you. Now, go, step into your new reality and watch how fast everything changes.